another crumble cookie review. So this is their Valentine's Day week crumble cookie. First one we're gonna try is the strawberry cake. Look at that. I'm so eager to try this first. The strawberry cake, it's a 10-10. It's super moist, not overly sweet, but sweet. What we're trying is the malted lava. Don't really taste like nothing. It just tastes brown. Valentine's Day M&M cookie. Tastes like bread. We have the chocolate covered strawberries. That's good. That's good. I think the topping, the strawberry topping is what's making it taste better to me. Otherwise, it would taste just like the molten lava cookie. To me is the strawberry cake. 10-10. See y'all for next week.